Hello, my name is Chris Hammond. I'm the Director of Training with DotNetNuke Corporation. In this brief video, we're going to talk to you about installing some of the existing extensions that come with DotNetNuke, but are not installed when you first do the installation of the platform. There's a number of reasons why they're not installed. The main reason being for performance aspects. The more extensions you have installed, the kind of larger footprint your website's going to take on a web server. So if you don't need the extensions, there's no need to have them installed. That being said, there are 24 different modules that come with DotNetNuke and one added authentication provider that comes with DotNetNuke that are not installed. So we're going to show you how you can go about installing those. So we'll take a look at the host extensions page. Then we'll go through and find where we can see the available extensions and how we can go through and install those. In order to install an extension, though, you need to be logged in as a host or a super user account. Hosts and super user accounts are the only ones who can install extensions, be that modules, authentication providers, or even skins and containers. So with DotNetNuke version 5, you have to be a host or a super user. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to our site, and we're currently running DotNetNuke Professional 5.6.0, but everything we go through in this particular video will be applicable to both DotNetNuke Community Edition and DotNetNuke Enterprise Edition. So I'm already logged into the website as a host account, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the host extensions page. Now I can get there either from the host menu or by going to the host tab within the control panel and clicking on the extensions option. The host extensions page provides you a list of all of the available extensions that are currently installed within this particular DotNetNuke website. So you can see there are a number of different types of extensions available to you. The primary ones you'll utilize will be modules and skins. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install some of those modules that come with DotNetNuke but are not currently installed. Now we can do that by going to the Actions menu next to the Extensions module, and from there we're going to choose the Install Available Extensions option. This will take us to a page that lists off all of those modules and the one authentication provider that comes with DotNetNuke. So you can see from the list of available modules there are a number of different types of modules available to us, starting with the announcements module, going down through the XML module. Each module in DotNetNuke provides different functionality. And for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and choose a single module for now. But at this point, we could choose any of the modules on this list, install them, then they would be available for us to place on a page within DotNetNuke. So we'll choose the announcements module, and I'm simply going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Install Selected Extensions link. Now, the process of installing an extension within DotNetNuke typically means that the extension package will be unzipped, and all of the contents of that package will be read by DotNetNuke and then placed into the appropriate directories. We'll see this in more detail when we go ahead in an additional video and actually upload an extension package that we might have downloaded or created on our own if we're developing custom extensions. But as the extension gets installed, the Install Available Extensions page refreshes, and we can see that the Announcements module is no longer listed in the available modules. If we navigate back to the Host Extensions page, we'll then see a list of all of our installed extensions, and if we scroll down to the Module section, we'll see that the Announcements module is now listed in the Extensions page. That means that the module is available to us now to place on a page. So if we go back to a page within our DotNetNuke website, I'm going to navigate to the test page we created in a previous video. This page is currently empty. But if we're on that page, within our control panel now, we choose from our available modules. If we scroll up, because the list is in alphabetical order, we'll see that we have the Announcements module available to us. So we can choose the Announcements module now. We can give it a title. Could choose some visibility and where the module is going to go on a page, and then we could go ahead and just click Add Module to add the Announcements module to the page. Now you can install any of those available modules that come with DotNetNuke at any point in time. You can also uninstall those modules. We'll demonstrate that in a future video. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like more information about our DotNetNuke training, please go ahead and check out the free videos available on our training page. You can also check out the upcoming schedule of our instructor-led training. some of our custom on-site and online training options. You can find the training page on .NETNuke.com underneath the Resources tab, or you can navigate to it using the shortcut URL listed here on the page. Thanks again for watching.